Hi friends, today now I'm going to explain about how to link the database and the API to our Telegram chatbot. Here we use the Firestore. Firestore is a non-SQL that is a part of the Firebase development databases. It is a free Google Drive databases where we can store the data. Here we have to create a project in the Firebase. So I'm going to link here link. Here we can see we can create a project by using the add projects. I already created a project named database. So let's go into this. Here I have created the collections like personal data, student, weather, and these are the collections consists of the documents, and these documents consist of several number of fields. Here we can have n number of fields because it is non-structural. It is a NoSQL database, so we can't store the data in table format. Let's just create a new document. Here we can see that the Sunny is sent to the Tanku value. Here Tanku is the key value and the value of Sunny is stored in the Tanku. Here we can also add our documents by using also code. Let's go to our VS Code. For initializing Telegram chatbot, we use the No Telegram Bot API module. Here, token is given by the bot so that we can connect to the Telegram chatbot. Here, we will initialize the Firebase. So we should install the Firebase in our command prompt. And here bot on is generally we do the operations on bot. Here the request of is the API key, that my API key is belongs to the weather, so it gives the conditions of the city at present, or else it will give the error like please enter the given city. And here we have taken the weather API, so we can predict the current city conditions, and we will able to get the what type of atmosphere is present in. Now let us go to the uh, database storages. Here already we installed the Firebase, so we just requested the Firebase admin, and here we have the server account is a key JSON, and it consists of the all the properties that belongs to the that database, and we here get data storage, and here we have given the taken the boat on the function mg. For example, we look into the chatbot by giving the Tanku. Here we have the please enter getting or insert your message or partly cloudy. Here the condition of the Tanku is partly cloudy. Here we have given them insert Tanku partly cloudy. Here these are the three words. These three words should completely convert into the three objects so that the can identify what is the main value which we have to insert it. So the Tanku is stored successfully, and that the condition of the Tanku is partly cloudy. Here we use the split method that can split the each three words into objects, and by giving the command insert we can able to insert the Tanku and partly cloudy for the value to the Tanku. And also we have given the Mumbai. Mumbai has the same moderate or heavy runs. Insert Mumbai. Moderate means Mumbai stores the value of the moderate. If you given other than the unique city, it will give the please enter the correct name. Here we have to store the data in the personal data. So we will store or the data in personal data in collection. So we have given collection of personal data, add key and key, data value and user ID. Here user ID is different for different IDs. Here we can see that for Tanvi is assigned to the Sunny. Here the Sunny value is we can have Tanku so many number of times, but we have only get specific Tanku means we should have one ID. So ID provides a unique feature. Here we can see that key Tanku, data value, partly cloud, user ID. The user ID is very important so that it can easily access the what we want. After the key value is stored with the Tanku and data value is partly coded, it can give the user ID. Then we get the message like stored successfully, like Tanku is stored successfully. And next we will go to the get. Get is used to get the data which we want. Here we want to get the data from the personal data, then where means where, from which collection we want to retrieve or gather the data. User ID is equals to message dot. For example, if you want to get the data that associated with the Tanku, it will retrieve all the data from the data which consists of the Tanku name. Here we can see that Tanku have data, so many data is associated with the Tanku. So we can easily